Okay guys, let's try gummies. So, ito siya. Fruit gummies siya. So, 2 flavors lang ho yung ito try natin. Pineapple and durian flavor. Hindi ko pa po natikman ang durian flavor. So, pineapple muna. Yan. Kumuha na akong isa. Ito. Konti lang lasa niya na pineapple. Pero masarap din. Now, let's try the durian. Ito na ho ang durian. Open natin. Okay, let's try the durian for the first time.
Okay.
It smells so bad! Can you get me tissue? Baka mag-quick ako.
Nandun yung tissue!
Wait lang guys. Kukuha ako ng tissue. Baka magsuka ako. Okay guys, kumuha na ako ng tissue. Yan siya. Let's try the durian. Lasa siyang basura guys. I do not recommend this for you guys. Do not buy the durian pudding candy by Coco. Coco, hindi masarap yan. Itatapon ko na yan, guys. Bye. Bye, guys.